Hello everyone, my name is Bernice Rosas, and today I'm going to review Moodle. Moodle is actually an acronym that stands for Modular Object Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. Moodle is an open source software package designed to help educators create effective online courses based on sound pedagogical principles. It supports teaching and learning. This site allows teachers or instructors to communicate and teach learners in a creative and unique way. The audience for Moodle is made to be used across education, business, nonprofit, government, and community contexts. Moodle can be used for anyone. It is helpful for students with speech and language impairment, hearing impairment, and visual impairment by supporting many assistive technologies such as screen readers, screen magnifiers, alternative mouse and key use, video, chat access, and much more. A product preview of Moodle allows teachers and instructors to communicate and teach students in different ways. It allows teachers, students, and even parents to track grades and progress. It allows to list coursework and quizzes. It also allows to share files. It features many plugins, which is different features that can be added to the site to make it customizable and accessible for all students. Just some of the featured plugins on Moodle are Jitsi, which allows creating video conference sessions, and Plan eStream, which allows video or audio content for communication. Moodle is accessible across different web browsers and devices. To the right is a little preview of the website. It has a weekly outline. It has where you can list the textbook, and also has an agenda of your course. And over here is where you see all your different courses that you are enlisted in, and it also shows where you can see your grades and different resources. The cost and specs of Moodle is a free open source software. Anyone can modify Moodle to their benefit without any licensing fees. Recommendation of Moodle is I highly recommend Moodle to anyone who wants to create an effective online course or even a different way to communicate or learn for teachers and students. It can be used for just about anyone. It is also free and can be accessed through any web browser or device. Thank you.